Hi guys, Kyri from Electricus Audio Visual. Welcome back to our channel. On this project we're in Canary Wharf where we've done video distribution with Control4, so universal remote control. So let's go and have a look what we've been up to. Here we have our AV rack. This is the hub of the property, so our internet comes in here. We feed it into our AV router and then that distributes around the home to all the devices, as well as our video distribution. So our Roku player is here, which then feeds the HD Anywhere matrix, and then that distributes to the 3 rooms, so the living room, the master bedroom and the guest bedroom. So let's go and have a look at the rooms. Our Control4 remote control turns on the TV, and then that will go straight to our on-screen display, or your on-screen display, where you can do your watch or your listen. So we can play radio off of the TV with the Control4 Smart Home, as well as our video devices. So here we've got a Roku player. All the apps are all ready to go. So what this will mean is literally you just select one and then it will go straight onto that app basically. So we're now using the same remote control that's controlling the Roku in the TV, not multiple remotes around, just a simple remote control. So with the remote control we've got full control of the device, we can do volume control. So I'm not having to use multiple remotes, the remote knows what to do, when to do it, as and when I push a button. And then simple room off, turns off the TV, and also the Roku player that's in the rack. So I hope you enjoyed our video. If you have any questions, let us know below, and please like and subscribe so you get notified when our next video comes out.